Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 7D Fusion, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device by swiping down from the top of our screen twice, which will show us the power button at the bottom. Click on it, and then select Power Off. This will turn off the device, and from there, we're going to hold power button, and I believe it's volume up, but we'll see in a second. I'm not 100% sure. If it's not volume up, it's going to be definitely volume down. Now, when you see the device turn on, let go of the power button, but keep holding the other volume button. Now, it looks like it's going to boot up normally, so it is volume down. Yep. So let's wait for the device to boot back up, and I'm going to attempt this once more. So again, I'm going to just press power button, power off. Okay, it's turning off a little bit longer than before for some reason. Okay, so again, now this time around I'm going to try power button, volume down. Now this is what I believe will be the correct option right here, so let's press both of them. And again, let go of the power button once the anything shows up on the screen. And in here, using volume buttons, which you can see we have arrows, you can find the recovery mode, which will show up right here. So there we go. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it. Now next we will probably get the Android with no command page. Yep, there we go. So once you see this, hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up. And there we go. So this is our recovery mode. In here, unlike Samsung's, we actually have some options. So we can flip through them using volume buttons again, just like we did on the previous page, and power button confirms the options that are selected. And the options that are here are things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will be the previous page we have been on after turning off the device. Enter fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option, Reboot System Now, confirm it with the power button, like I mentioned before, and this just brings me back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.